Nike lied to you. Hello, this is one shot to the future. Just do it. It is the most famous slogan in the world. But for procrastinators, it is terrible advice. Do it sounds huge. Sounds like a mountain. Do the project. Do the workout. Do the business. Your brain freezes because the task feels too heavy. I propose a better slogan. Just start. Don't worry about finishing. Don't worry about doing it well. Just ignite the engine. That is the only thing that matters. The physics of laziness. Let's talk about physics. Newton's law of inertia. An object at rest stays at rest. The hardest part of a rocket launch is not the flight. It is the first 2 inches off the ground. A rocket burns 80% of its fuel just to break gravity and lift off. You are that rocket. You are sitting on the couch, 0 velocity. The resistance you feel is static friction. It is heavy. It is painful. But once you move just 1 inch, static friction turns into kinetic friction. Suddenly, it becomes easy. The momentum takes over. The first step is not just part of the journey. It is the hardest part. Lower the bar to the floor. So, how do you break the static friction? Lower your standards. If you want to write a book, don't say, I will write a chapter today. Say, I will write 1 sentence. If you want to run, don't say, I will run 5 kilometers. Say, I will just put on my shoes. Make the task so stupidly small that your brain cannot say no. Once you write that 1 sentence, inertia breaks. You will likely write 10 more. Trick your brain into starting. Motivation is a myth. Stop waiting for motivation to strike. Motivation does not come before action. Motivation is a result of action. Action result dopamine motivation. You have to push the car manually first. The engine starts after the wheels are moving. Do it scared. Do it tired. Just move. Don't think. Count to 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Just start. The rest will follow. In the next video, we will discuss the power of tiny habits, compound interest of habits. Thank you. This was one shot to the future.